Well, I talked to Shopify because I sent you the message that they banned me from Shopify payments.
Oh, did they? Oh, I didn't.
Yeah, they did the
Oh,
last week because of all of the high risk orders that they had. They banned me from it.
yes. Okay.
And well, I talked to them, and now I think we are back to the agreement that they're gonna hold 25% of my sales,
Yeah,
but I at least get the 75%.
correct. And then after 3 months, it comes back to you.
Yeah.
Uh, and then after 3 months, it'll be as if it will sort of flow back and you'll be getting 75% plus the 25% from 3 months ago, and it'll be as if it's normal.
Yeah, so I think it should be fine. But my account is not back yet. It's still banned.
Got it. Right now, did you then turn off all your ads? What happened? Because one, you can probably still have PayPal, so people can still purchase with PayPal. Two,
Yeah,
you can also apply for Stripe and putting Stripe while they ban it. That's a possibility.
I
Uh,
also did that, and then they also banned my account there. So
oh, okay.
what?
Okay, no way, because I know Shopify payments is connected with Stripe, so maybe that's why. So right now is PayPal active at least?
Yeah, but I still put down my I put down the ads budget to $1 a day because I was like, I first want to sort this out, and then we'll get it back up.
Got it. Now, a lot of your purchases, do they go through Stripe or PayPal?
Well, Stripe was only active for half a day, so I got one purchase through there, and then one more paper purchase. But
Got
yeah.
it. So out of your 30 purchases, how much percent of them went through Stripe and how much percent PayPal?
Um, I don't know. I feel like majority was Shopify payments
Mm,
because I had like 42 purchases now, and I think maybe 6 to 8 were paper, and the rest
oh,
Shopify payments, one Stripe.
okay. All right. Fingers crossed. You can go through. Hopefully they just. Oh, wait, is it? So if they came back to the initial agreement of 25%,
Mm-hmm.
you get your account back?
Yeah, I should, but that guy that I was talking to apparently wasn't working in the weekend. So hopefully he emails me back today and we can get back to business.
Beautiful. Sounds good. I appreciate the update, Marie. And I guess product research and then line up the next few products.